Hey everyone! Imagine waking up tomorrow and owning not just one, but 5 complete AI businesses already staffed, already running, already ready to make money. No coding, no hiring, no monthly AI fees, just pure automation working for you. Today, I'm going to show you how you can launch 5 AI businesses instantly with a platform called ProsperaBuilder. And trust me, this is the shortcut you've been waiting for. Lean in for a second, because this isn't just another AI tool. ProsperaBuilder literally hands you your own AI company, complete with 25 AI employees who already know their jobs. They write blog posts, design campaigns, generate leads, consult clients, and even sell products for you. Yeah, it's like hiring a full team without paying salaries. Here's what you get the moment you log in. AI marketing agency. Run campaigns, analyze offers, deliver client briefs. AI content business. Blogs, social posts, SEO, all automated. AI lead generation company. Capture and nurture leads on autopilot. AI e-commerce store. Product descriptions, emails, social captions, ready to sell. AI consulting business. Reports, proposals, presentations, all generated instantly. That's 5 businesses, each with workflows already built, each with employees already trained. Picture this. You feed in a simple product brief, say a new coffee brand. In seconds, ProsperaBuilder spits out a polished product description, a launch email, and social captions complete with hashtags. 1 input, 3 outputs. That's leverage. That's scale. And here's the kicker. You're not locked into the defaults. You can build your own AI employees with personalities, goals, and instructions. Want a coffee shop marketing assistant? Done. Want a legal consultant AI? Done. You're literally cloning expertise into digital workers. Now I know what you're thinking. Wait, is this too good to be true? I had the same thought. But once I saw the workflow canvas in action, drag, drop, swap nodes, and boom, new results every time, I realized this isn't hype, it's a system. ProsperaBuilder isn't just about saving time, it's about owning AI instead of renting it. While others pay monthly fees for single tools, you're running 5 businesses with a full AI workforce. That's future-proof income. Let's break it down. No hiring staff, no learning code, no juggling dozens of apps. Just 1 dashboard, 5 businesses, 25 employees, and unlimited growth potential. And if you want to expand, there are upgrades. Unlimited AI employees, 50 extra business models, agency kits, voice studios, even white label rights so you can launch your own AI software brand. Imagine rebranding this platform, selling subscriptions, and keeping 100% of the revenue. That's not just automation, that's ownership. So whether you're a freelancer, an agency owner, a content creator, or just someone who wants to stop trading hours for dollars, ProsperaBuilder gives you the leverage to scale without limits. It's your shortcut to building multiple income streams with AI. AI is replacing jobs, but now you can own the AI instead. 5 businesses, 25 employees, 0 headaches. Get ProsperaBuilder right now and start building the future of your income today. All right, that's it for me today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.